Hello dear friends, in this video we will be discussing how can we sync our Google Classroom with Go Formative. Means we can import all the students of our Google Classroom in the Go Formative class-wise. We can assign them tests in the Go Formative and those tests will be reflected in the Google Classroom. So let's proceed. First I am opening my Go Formative account. I have already created my account on Go Formative with my KVSRO email ID. Now in Go Formative, you to import the students from the Google Classroom, you need to click on the option Classes. In Classes, you will see the option Google Classroom Sync. I have already synced my students of class 11th. Here I will show you syncing of the students of class 12th. So here I click on the Google Classroom Sync. It will ask me for my account and I will select the account that is on my Google Classroom. Okay, I will open that email that is associated with my Google Classroom. Now it will show you all the classes that are available in your Google Classroom. It will show a list of all the classes, and here class 11th I have already imported. Now I am importing the class 12th. So check this checkbox and the students list will load. You can see the students list has been loaded. Now you have to tick on each and every student one by one and they will be added to your Go Formative. So select all the students as we want all the students in the Go Formative. So I have checked all the students. Now I will click on the import button. After little processing, all the students will be imported to my Go Formative. You can see all the students have been added here. Close this portion. You can see the classes available here with all the students. So what I need to do now, I will give them a test and I will click on the Go Formative option here, Formatives, and I will take the new formative. I want to give them a new test. So to create a test, I will click on the plus button. I am taking a multiple selection question and here I am writing my question. I am checking the right answer. Now I am taking one more question. And this is the multiple selection. And in this question, I am adding an image. The image is already in my computer. This one, image added. Now I'm writing my question. So I'm giving the options. Here I'm writing so you can prepare the test in this way. So I'm taking only two questions just for sample test. So what will I do? I will create on the, I can give the title here first. I'm giving the title uh, DB, DBMS test and I am clicking on the assign button. Here all the class will be reflected here, so I am selecting the class 12th and I will click on the option assign and post to Google. So it will be assigned and it will be posted to my Google Classroom. So here I will take the account associated with my Google Classroom, and after little processing it will be posted. You can see this symbol shows that your assignment has been posted to the students and Google Classroom. So I can see it from the Google Classroom. This is my Google Classroom, and if I click on the class to which I assigned that Go formative assignment, I can see in the classwork section. So in classwork section, this DBMS test you can see here, and I click here, you can see the test has been assigned to students, and you can do some other editing, like you can set the due date, click on the three dots, edit, and here you can set the due date that we did not do in the Go formative, as I think it was in the premium version of the Go formative. So you can do other settings like topics or points, etc., if you want to do. So I'm just saving this assignment. So in this way, we can assign the test in the Go formative that can be synced with the Google Classroom. It will be very easy for us to monitor the grades of the student at one platform. So, and the Go formative provides us many enhanced features. So we can create our test in the Go formative and can sync it with the Google Classroom for the easily monitoring of the student. Hope you would like my video. In my next video, I will discuss some more features of Go formative. Thank you.